Hello there, it's Claire Darbinyan here on Sunday the 5th of July with your free farming weather week ahead forecast brought to you exclusively by weatherweb.net. Thank you very much for tuning in today. As we go through this coming week, we've got low pressure dominating conditions at first with a strong jet stream over the UK and Ireland. That means we're looking at outbreaks of rain and showers for most areas, and it will be breezy as well. Temperatures ever so slightly down on average for the time of year, but for those of you cutting hay, cutting silage, it's looking good later on in the week and into next weekend. So if you need a forecast anytime this week for your farm, then why not give us a call here on Farming Weather Live. This is the number on screen that you need to call if you are in the UK. What you need to do is give us your postcode or your location and tell us what it is you're trying to do. We'll get your forecast done as quickly as possible, and usually we can do this in just a few minutes. We also have a phone line if you are in Ireland, and this is the number on screen now. It's the same drill if you're calling in, just give us your location and what it is you're looking for. Usually we can get this all done in just 2 or 3 minutes. For both of these phone lines, we are here 7 days a week between 8 AM and 5 PM. As well as the phone lines, of course, we've got our website, weatherweb.net. Now, our premium service gives you access to all of our daily videos. That includes our fast forecasts, our look-aheads, and our 2-week planners. Each of these covers anything from the next few hours to weeks. Sometimes we even look months and seasons ahead. If you're not signed up yet, you can do so at any time. Get yourself a free 3-day trial with absolutely no commitment. Spend that time taking a good look around the website and checking out exactly what we've got to offer. And the good news is, if you do decide to sign up, it costs less than £15 per month. On to the forecast then. Now, like I said, we've got lower pressure in charge through the start of the week, and you can see that there with the increasing accumulated rainfall bars taking us through much of this week. Temperatures ever so slightly down on average for the time of year across the country. Just for reference, by this point in the year in Birmingham, we'd usually be looking at temperatures averaging around about 21 Celsius, so somewhere around here. So you can see we are down on that. But overall, it's a very slight rising trend as we go through this week, and with higher pressure building in later in the week, we should start to see temperatures rising. Looking at accumulated rainfall totals then, this takes us from Sunday through until the early part of Saturday the 11th. You can see there we've got lower pressure generally staying off to the north of us through this week, and that is where we're seeing most of the rain. Rainfall totals in excess of 40 millimetres, that's the yellow and orange lines, over much of northern Scotland, perhaps into the far north of Ireland as well. Staying drier, particularly to the southwest, where we're seeing more of the influence of higher pressure through the early part of the week, and certainly once again through the later part of the week as well. Looking at the detail then, Monday we've got high pressure to the southwest, low pressure to the northeast, and that gives our weather a general northwesterly flow. So we will have these fresh winds bringing showery outbreaks of rain, especially into northern parts of the country, over northwestern facing coasts and hills. Elsewhere we will see some showery outbreaks over eastern parts of England as well, but generally it will be drier towards the southwest, and this is where we will see some good spells of sunshine as well. High temperatures only about 13 or 14 Celsius in the northwest, rising to around about 20 or 21 Celsius in the southeast. Into Tuesday, and we have an area of low pressure centred to the northwest of Ireland, and that brings a wet day to much of Ireland and Northern Ireland too. Far southeast of Ireland, perhaps staying drier till later in the afternoon. This rain also spreads across the north of England into southern Scotland and across North Wales too, and it will slowly sink southwards through Tuesday afternoon. Once again, perhaps staying dry for the southernmost counties of England, perhaps into southern Wales as well, until later in the day, but we will see cloud building here through the afternoon. Temperatures then on Tuesday ranging from the low teens in the north to the low 20s in the southeast. into Wednesday, and we've got a brief lull in the weather on Wednesday. We do have another system waiting over the Atlantic, which will make its presence felt across Ireland and Northern Ireland through Wednesday afternoon and into the evening. But on the whole, it's a rather benign day across much of the UK. We will see some patchy outbreaks of rain here and there, particularly associated with this front. But for many, there will be good spells of dry weather and some spells of sunshine as well. High temperatures rising ever so slightly on Wednesday into the mid-teens in the north, but staying in the low to mid-20s to the south. Little bit of uncertainty over Thursday's forecast at the moment. This is the forecast from the GFS showing this area of low pressure over Scotland. Some of the other models not quite seeing this pattern, this weather system developing. They are showing higher pressure. So big question mark over this. However, it could be that we do have this area of low pressure coming in, and that will bring outbreaks of rain and again windy conditions with it. Rain heaviest over northwestern Scotland, far southeast of England, perhaps escaping dry. Temperatures similar to the day before, mid-teens in the north, low to mid-20s in the south. Into Friday, if that area of low pressure does develop, it is moving off to the east by the time we get into Friday, and we're starting to see the influence of higher pressure over western areas. So rain, strong winds clearing off to the east through the day, perhaps lingering for a while over eastern coasts of England. Drier and brighter conditions developing from the west. High temperatures in the mid-teens in the north, around about the low to mid-teens, the low to mid-20s, in the southeast. And the overall pattern then is for higher pressure to continue building, centred over Ireland as we go into Saturday, centred over the Irish Sea, over the UK by the time we get into Sunday for a drier and brighter weekend. But up until then, it's a rather mixed picture. Outbreaks of rain, showers, windy at times. Big question mark over Thursday's weather. So if you do need a forecast specifically for your farm, then here is a reminder of the number you need to call if you are in the UK just now. That's 09065 999 308. The number to call if you are in Ireland is 1580 787844. Thanks very much for tuning in today. I do hope you have a good one. Bye bye for now.